part of our ongoing efforts to support the beauty industry during this global crisis, we are offering a complimentary license of YouCam AR Training. Brands and beauty advisors can host up to 3 60-minute sessions per week. This will include 100 makeup SKUs and 3 makeup looks. The license will be valid through July 31st, 2020. YouCam AR Training is the world's first AR makeup training. It's applied beauty AR for online interactive training and real-time feedback, giving you private and controlled live channel for brands holding beauty trainings. You can connect anytime, anywhere. It includes augmented reality try-on products and looks, an easy setup and access, tracking and reporting, and recording and replay. Some of the key features are private training rooms, virtual makeup try-on, combination of live video and reference slides, instant feedback through chat and polls, access to our past courses, and of course the tracking and reporting. Now Taylor and Michelle are going to walk you through the experience in-app.
So let me walk you through some of the features of the art training application. One of the beautiful things is that the technology allows you to try on makeup, not only on yourself, but every single viewer in the session. So I have a single user in this session. We have a much larger capacity that can be connected up to thousands of viewers at one time. Let's see, let's try one of the features. One of the beautiful things is we can always speak to all of the different people that are watching and viewing, and you can always give a tip from the trainer. So we could say, hello. This will pop up on the bottom left corner. The viewers can respond, ask questions, and make comments about each application that you're doing. As you can see, she's saying hello on the other end. With that involved, we also have a like button as well. So on the bottom right corner, we have a button that as more people are watching, they like the content, they like the application, they can also like it as well. And you can see even when I'm not touching it, if Michelle, if you could hit that button for me. There we are. Great. So let's try on some makeup. Here we have a few different looks. When you select one of the programs, the look is available for your trainee to try it on themselves. So I can select a look and it'll place it on me, but it also gives the option to place it on your viewer. So the great thing about this application is that while I'm trying it on, the viewer is also able to try it on at the same time. So if you were able to describe or just show a look, you'd be able to do so and the viewer would be able to try it on as you're speaking about it. This is also available for any other looks that you're doing. My favorite feature of this technology as an artist is that you're able to try on multiple products at a singular time to create a single customized look. For example, if you had, say, a spring or summer collection and you were trying to show off maybe 6 or 7 different products, you'd be able to do so with this interface. You'd be able to place on a lip color, foundation, bronzer, blush, highlight, eyebrows, eyeshadow, mascara, and even lashes. So much customization and ability to create something special for the people you are training. We also have a great functionality to use slides or polls. For example, we can use this slide to show the easy setup and access of the augmented reality training interface. As you can see, the pictures are used just like you would a PowerPoint slide. It gives you the ability to have accessible trainings and use demonstrative abilities still and applications while not having to do it in person. This is very cost effective and eliminates all of the high cost effects of a large training when you have to host 20 to 30, even 100 people. On this application, you're also able to go back and watch it again. After this demonstration, it will be saved onto a cloud system where you're able to go back and view it again. As you saw earlier, it's very interactive. So you can be connecting with hundreds of thousands of people and trainees all around the world at a single time, and they're all able to react and interact with the trainer. Some of the great features of the augmented reality live training is that there's private training, and you don't have to have a specialized space or rented space for that matter. Virtual looks and try on. You're able to try on a few different curated looks by your brand for the YouCam Makeup app. You can show slides during the live training, and that's not limited as well. You can have as many on there as you'd like. There's an instant question and answer so that the trainer is able to react and give feedback to each of the questions by the trainees. Access to past courses. If your brand has had one live transmission or multiple, you're able to reference them. Tracking and reporting on each of these things is available through the console system. Now we're going to test a feature called polls. So if you were to ask a question for any of your trainees and say, which option do you like best, 1 or 2? You'd be able to select your live poll, start it, and wait for questions and answers to pour in. So the question may be, which option would you choose? And then they would select it, and you would see it on the bottom right corner. Michelle has answered one of the questions for me, and we can see she chose option 1. You'll end the poll. Okay. And then you can go back, select slides, and take them off the frame. This is just some of the features that we can utilize for the augmented reality training. And if you guys have any questions, you can always type them into the bottom left corner and they will appear on the screen. Thank you and enjoy.